Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Demogorgon from Stranger Things. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Demogorgon, let's begin with the mouth. So I'm going to start right here and let's begin by making a circle shape for the inside of the mouth. Now let's go ahead and add some sharp teeth right across the top. And then let's put some sharp teeth right across the bottom too. Next, let's go ahead and add some little curved lines right around here for some detail. Now, right here, let's make this line that's going to curve out and in. Then we'll do the same thing coming down. Go out and then in. Let's do one here. Let's go out and in, and then we'll kind of curve back. We'll do one here, kind of go up and down. Then we'll go down and then up and bring it in. We'll go out and down and then kind of bring it up like this. And then same thing, just kind of curve this line and then bring it up here. Next, let's connect all of these with like a curved line. So we're just going to kind of connect all of them like this. Now, right around here, I'm just going to kind of redraw that same shape, but we're just going to do this all the way around here. So we're just going to kind of redraw this. And I'm just going kind of almost like an outline around all of these little shapes that we did. So you'll just want to very carefully just kind of draw all around here. And this will give it a little bit more of like a 3D texture. And we'll just connect it to there. Now, inside of here, we're just going to make some little triangle shapes in here. So it looks like teeth. So we're going to put these right on the edge of these things. They kind of look like petals. So we'll just kind of put them right around here. I'm putting about 3 to 4 on each one. And we're just going to fill this up. And we'll do this right along here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down the middle of each one. And then I'm going to add a few lines right across here, just for a little bit of detail on there. Next, let's work on the body. So let's begin right here. Let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down and then in. And then same thing here. We're going to go down and then in. We'll make 2 little lines here. And then a line down here. Next, we'll go down and down and in again. And we'll make 2 little skinny lines here. We'll make a little line that's going to go out and in on each side, kind of where the hips would be. For the legs, let's bring this line down and over. Kind of down, round it off, and bring it over. Then we'll bring a straight line down on each side. Let's make a pointed line for one of the claws. So same thing here, kind of bring it down to a point and back up. We'll make one behind it. And then we'll make one more in front of it. Now we'll bring this up and stop right about there. So kind of bring it up to here. Then we'll make one more little kind of triangle-shaped claw here. We'll bring this up and down, and then same thing here. Bring this up and then back in. We'll curve each line up, and then we'll just kind of connect it with a curve. Now for the arms, we'll do a curve and then a curve right here. Then we'll bring these lines out. We'll do a curve here and a curve right here. Then we're going to go up and down and then up and down. Let's bring this line down and this line down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down here to a point and up. We'll make another one down to a point up, and then one more down to a point up. Same thing here. We're going to make this come to a point, make this one come to a point, and then we're going to make this one come to a point. We're going to curve around for a thumb, and we're going to curve around for a thumb. Then we're going to bring this up here, kind of go up and then curve in. Then you can come in here and add a few little details. We can make like a couple lines by the arms. We can make a little line that comes down. We can make some little curved lines, kind of like where the ribs would be. And then a couple little lines here, and even a line or two on the arms. And then even like a line on the legs. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Demogorgon from Stranger Things. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.